name is Daria Goffman, and the name of my project is Pure Sound. I decided to do this project because a lot of cool people on that lab, and I think we do a lot of cool stuff, but we don't have a moment for listening each other by heart. And my project is it's a sensor of your heart beating, and you can record that and listen during the performance how to sounds other people hearts.
Hear your heartbeat.
Wow. I just talk like this. Because I don't know what's happening at the performance. I don't know what I should do.
Okay, now let's change. Tell me when you hear a heartbeat.
Yeah, I can hear.
Here?
Yeah. No.
Continue. So,
No. Yeah, no. Yeah.
Your Stone. Мы слушаем сердцебиение каждого. Ну, либо свое. Listen to each other's heartbeats, так что даже как-то